While childhood cancer survival rates are now at 80%, obviously that's just not good enough. It's not good enough for the children or the families who are suffering from this, so a lot of work still remains. The goal of Hope on Wheels is that these grants go towards programs that significantly impact and make easier a child's fight against cancer.
So I thank you for your vision and for your support. What this grant is doing is helping to bridge that gap between what goes on in the lab and what happens to children in the clinic. Another characteristic of this campus is that it's tremendously collaborative. People work together in basic science, in clinical science, in translational research. And so we believe we can also prevent or treat leukemia that develops in children with Down syndrome. These children are sometimes born with something called a myeloproliferative syndrome, in which the white blood cells are dividing very rapidly. It usually resolves, but in 40% of them it goes on to develop into leukemia. And in fact, any child with Down syndrome has about a 20-fold increased chance of having leukemia of one kind or another. So this, I think, is a project which took an inspired guidance from Hyundai to fund something which is a little bit far out. It's high risk, but it's also potentially very high payoff for these children, and represents a fusion of very basic science with hematology and with the treatment of children with leukemia.
On behalf of the 2011 Hyundai Hope on Wheels September Initiative Program and the Worcester area Hyundai dealers, I am proud to present the University of Massachusetts Medical Center, Department of Pediatrics, this donation in the amount of $100,000.